Hi everyone! We will be learning about the electric motor and the motor kit today. We have all played with RC cars before. The most important part of the RC car and the part that makes it move is the electric motor. If we connect BlueberryKits power kit with a motor kit, the motor will start to spin. This is because the motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. This principle helps to show that electric motors have both industrial and commercial applications. Electric motors in cranes help to easily lift heavy objects. Tesla uses electric motors in their cars to make them environmentally friendly. Electric motors are also used in ceiling fans, HVAC units, washers, and dryers. All in all, modern-day machines are inseparable from the usage of electric motors. In fact, when operated in reverse, electric motors are also capable of generating electricity. You can also connect the motor kit with an LED kit. The LED kit will light up if you manually spin the motor kit. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so now that you have all you need to know about the motor kit, do you have any new ideas for inventions? See you next time!